Have you ever checked into a hotel but didn't know what to say?
Or maybe you wanted clean towels but didn't know how to ask?
Don't worry. Today, we'll show you real English for hotels.
Yes, so you can speak clearly and confidently in any hotel.
Are you ready to sound more natural and not like a robot?
Let's start learning together on Miss English Channel.
Hello, everyone. I'm Paul.
And I'm Emily. Welcome to Miss English Channel.
Today, we'll teach you how to check into a hotel and ask for things you need.
These are super common phrases that travelers use every day.
Before we begin, one small favor. Please like this video.
And subscribe to Miss English Channel so you don't miss our next lesson.
The first phrase is, I'd like to check in, please.
It means you're telling the hotel you have arrived to stay.
Example 1. I'd like to check in, please.
Example 2. I have a reservation under Emily Brown.
Let's practice in a short dialogue.
Sure.
Good evening. I'd like to check in, please.
Of course. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under Paul Green.
Welcome, Mr. Green. Here's your room key.
The next phrase is breakfast included?
It means you're asking if breakfast is part of your room payment.
Example 1. Is breakfast included?
Example 2. What time is breakfast?
Let's try a short conversation. Excuse me, is breakfast included?
Yes, it's included. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Here's another useful phrase. Could I have some towels, please?
You can also say, can you send someone to fix the air conditioner?
Example 1. Could I have some towels, please?
Example 2. The air conditioner is not working.
Let's do a small role play.
Reception, how can I help you?
Hello, could I have some towels, please?
Of course, we'll send them right away.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Next is, what's the Wi-Fi password?
Or you can ask, is there free Wi-Fi here?
Example 1. What's the Wi-Fi password?
Example 2. Is there free Wi-Fi in my room?
Let's do it together.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, what's the Wi-Fi password?
It's travel123.
Great, thank you. The last phrase for today is, can I check out late?
That means you want to leave the hotel after the normal checkout time.
Example 1. Can I check out late?
Example 2. I need to check out at 2 p.m., please.
Let's make a short hotel talk.
Reception, how can I help you?
Hi, can I check out late tomorrow?
Let me check. Yes, you can check out at 2 p.m.
Perfect, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Let's review what we learned today.
Number 1. I'd like to check in, please.
Number 2. Is breakfast included?
Number 3. Could I have some towels, please?
Number 4. What's the Wi-Fi password?
Number 5. Can I check out late?
These are simple but powerful hotel English phrases.
Now, here's your quick challenge. Imagine you're at a hotel. You need more pillows.
What will you say in English? Write your sentence in the comments.
We'll read the best ones in our next video.
Now you can check in like a pro and ask for anything you need.
Remember, practice makes perfect.
If you enjoyed learning with us, like this video and subscribe to Miss English Channel.
Share this lesson with your friends who travel or study English.
And tell us in the comments, what's your dream travel destination?
See you in the next lesson on Miss English Channel.